Hello guys, and welcome to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to join a group chat after you have left the group. Firstly, let's go to Facebook. Now that Facebook has opened, on the top right corner next to the bell icon and between the menu, there is the messenger icon. Click on it and find yourself a group you want to leave. When you open the group, just click on the chat settings. It is the name of the group, just click on it and scroll down and you will see something like leave a group. Please note that when you leave a group, you cannot join yourself to the group until and unless someone adds you back to the group. So be careful before leaving a group. Let's leave the group. Confirmation. And there we have it. If you again click on the group conversation, we will see something like, you left the group, you can't message this group. Well guys, that is how we leave a group chat. And beware before leaving a group chat, because you cannot add yourself back to the group chat until and unless someone adds you back. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.